Accurate testing, reliable results. This is iTech Lab, a KOLAS-accredited testing institution, where the best experts gather. iTech Lab is a specialized institution for metal fracture testing, founded by 6 testing experts with over 10 years of experience. I'm the technology with the belief that we ourselves embody technological capability. We strive to meet our customers' needs and expectations at every moment. With 100 years of experience and the dynamism of a newly established institution, we have grown by carrying out various projects both domestically and internationally. The vision of iTech Lab is the best testing institution that grows together with customers. Through our 5 core values: coexistence, ethics, sincerity, growth, and happiness, we are creating an accurate and fair testing culture. iTech Lab is a KOLAS ISO IEC 117025 accredited testing laboratory, ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification recognition by Bureau Veritas, BV, testing laboratory registration for outsourced quality management by the Korea Gas Safety Corporation, etc. have officially recognized our testing capabilities in accordance with international standards. iTech Lab conducts tests from metal materials to welding integrity tests. We provide a one-stop service for all machine material evaluations, from sample processing to testing and issuing certificates. The main tests include raw material testing plate, pipe, forging, etc., welding tests, WPS, welder, production welding, etc., various certification support classification, approval, product type approval, welding procedure approval, etc. We possess a variety of equipment based on international standards, ASTM, ISO, KS, JIS, such as tensile testers, impact testers, hardness testers, metallurgical microscopes, and composition analyzers to ensure accurate measurements and reliable test results. Systematically separated testing spaces such as corrosion rooms, hardness rooms, and analysis rooms ensure a safe and efficient research environment. Since its establishment, iTech Lab has carried out over 20 international projects, including large-scale projects with Shell, Aramco, and Qatar Gas, proving its expertise and reliability in the global field. After the test registration, the results for the raw material test will be provided within 3 days, and the results for the welding integrity test will be provided within 4 days. A place for accurate testing, reliable results, and setting the standards for metal testing, iTech Lab.